Quality Forum is the premier event in North America for anybody who cares about improving the health system.
Quality Forum is a gathering of an inspired group of thought leaders, practitioners, clinical leaders, and administrators that are looking to improve the healthcare system, the services, and the outcomes for healthcare in British Columbia.
Quality Forum is an opportunity to connect with other healthcare providers across Canada and BC to learn more about quality and patient safety.
If I was to describe it, I would say it's just a series of journeys that all come together to be shared in a concerted space of wellness.
And we all share that similar passion to make things better. And so it's so easy to create new networks.
The networking opportunity at the Quality Forum is actually, it's complete. It's a complete process.
I underestimated how much that would be of a positive benefit for me.
Quality Forum is designed to bring you inspiring stories of how other people are doing something innovative, something different.
It's the seeing what others are doing, the improvements that others have been able to accomplish when you think something is impossible.
The importance of coming to Quality Forum is really about transferable skills, interdisciplinary approaches to things, and really getting a chance to see your situation through the eyes of multiple people.
The diversity of the workshops, I find, and the speakers that present, and the vast array of topics that are covered that you wouldn't normally necessarily connect to your work or directly to patient safety or to quality, but really brings it into a different context for you and gives you tools and strategies on how to apply that.
Some of these things we're going to be able to take back and put into our own team meetings to help share what we've picked up here. And that's going to be huge.
There are so many amazing things that you can learn and amazing people you can connect with. You will 100% leave inspired.
It's a very unique conference, nothing like I've experienced in Canada before.
There's a million opportunities at the Quality Forum, and I don't know that I could distill it into one succinct sentence, but it does provide an opportunity to enhance change in healthcare and to learn from one another. It's a fabulous forum, it really is.